Students, now let us discuss about the liabilities of a partner. First one is joint and several liabilities. Each and every partner is jointly and severally liable for all the activities of the firm. It means that in the case of the assets are inadequate for meeting out the claims of the creditors, even the personal properties of the partners are liable to be pay off. That is, if any loss occurred or any loan has to be repaid, means if there is no sufficient fund in the business, means they have to pay from their personal assets. The next one is liable for any loss to third party. It is a clear thing that if because of the activities of these partners, any loss occurs to the third party, means all the partners are jointly responsible to pay off the loss suffered by the third party. Next one is liable to third party to make good the loss. So when a partner receives money or property from a third party on behalf of the firm and he just misappropriates it, or due to carelessness or any other causes any damage or anything happens, means all the partners jointly should reimburse that loss or make good the loss to the third parties. So these type of liabilities are the main liabilities of a partner, that is joint and several liabilities. Liable for any loss to third party, liability to third party and make good the loss. Now let us discuss the types of partnership. The first one is partnership at will. See, when three or four persons join together, form a partnership business, and that is for the undefined period, that is called partnership at will. That is, as far as everything goes on smoothly and as far as it is profitable and smooth understanding is there among the partners, the partnership will continue. Otherwise, if anything happens, means any partner can retire from the partnership by giving a notice to the other partners. So it comes to an end at the will of any partner on giving a notice, it is called partnership at will. Next one is partnership for a fixed term. For example, some persons may just involve into a partnership business to construct a business premises or whatever it is, construction company, means as long as they are engaged in that business, their partnership will go on. So after that fixed term, this partnership will automatically comes to an end. For example, if they have partnered among themselves to construct a mall, means after the construction of a mall, they will the partnership will come to an end. Even if they are willing, they can continue the partnership, but that partnership automatically will turn as a partnership at will. So whenever anyone wants to get out of the firm, they can easily go away. Then next one is particular partnership. See, this is particular partnership is one to do any particular venture or business. This particular partnership is formed. For example, during the Diwali or other festive seasons, some partnership may arise to do a particular venture, that is to buy the crackers on a wholesale basis and then to sell the crackers, means it is a particular partnership. That is, after the Diwali is over, after the crackers are sold out, this partnership will come to an end. So this is called particular activities, that is particular partners, and the rights and obligation of the partners continue to be the same as in the original partnership, and it will continue till the partner gives a notice of his intention to dissolve the firm. Next one is limited liability partnership. This is somewhat new to our country. So we have the special act only in 2009. See, this limited partnership is there, which is just formed by the professional, that is cost accountant, company secretaries, chartered accountants, lawyers, architects, engineers. So this is the partnership will be there to do a specific business, and their personal properties will be safe. That is, if a creditor sues against the partnership, means only the assets of the partnership will be liable for paying off the debts, not their personal properties. This act was enacted in India in 31st March 2009. It is shortly called as LLP, that is the Limited Liability Partnership. So in India, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 was published by the Official Gazette of India, and it came into existence from 2009.